Morning students. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.3 along with few questions. Now, see the first question. How many three-digit numbers? How many three-digits number formed by using the digit 1 to 9? No digit is repeated. Means whatever the digit you have used, it will not be repeated. Now see this one. It is the solution of question number 1. How many three-digit number? Three-digit number means digit at the ones place, tenth place, and hundred place. These are the three place we have to fill the number, and number is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So see this one. 1 to 9 numbers are available to you, and they say find a three-digit number. Three-digit number. So all the numbers are here, and say no digit is repeated. Means you can use one number at a time. So how can we say? Number 1. This is your ones place. Ones place can be filled by 9 ways. Now 10th place can be filled by, out of these 9 you have used one number. This 9 doesn't mean this 9. This 9 is that out of these 9 you have used any one of the number. It may be 5, it may be 8, it may be 2, it may be 1. These are the 9 ways. Now next 10th place can be filled by 8 ways, because whatever the number you used, then it not will be used again, because no digit is repeated. Then is 100 place can be filled by 7 ways. Therefore total number of ways are 9 into 8 into 7. 9 into 8, 72 into 7. 7 2s are 14, 49 and 1, 504. So these are the total number of ways to make a three-digit number using the digit 1 to 9. Now see the question number 2. See how many 4-digit. Now he demand for the 4-digit. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit is repeated? Again he say repetition is not allowed. How many 4-digit numbers are there? See, in previous question and in this question there is a one major difference. In previous question he say you use the number 1 to 9, but in this case he never provide the number. So it means you have to take the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is the important thing of question of 4-digit numbers or 3-digit number. When he not provide the number, in that case you have to take the number from 0 to 9. Now see, this is ones place, this is 10th place, this is 100 place, and this is 1000 place. In this question and this question there is a lot of difference, because he say the same thing, the 4-digit number is there and digit is not repeated. But what is the main difference? If you observe this 0 cannot be filled here, because if 0 is filled here, in this situation the number cannot be the 4-digit number. The number is a 3-digit number. But if you observe in this situation, there are the 9 different numbers and nobody is the 0. So you can start your number either from this position or either from this position. It is your choice. You can fill first of all 100 place, then 10th place, then 1 place, or first of all 1's place, then 10th place, then 100 place. It is your choice. But in this question, when 0 is occur, there is a restriction that whenever he gives the 0 first means 0 cannot be here. So first of all, this 1000 place can be filled. You can't fill the ones place first of all. So let this 1000 place can be filled by, see this one, 0 cannot be filled here. So how many numbers are left? 1 to 9. So 9 numbers are left. So this 1000 place can be filled by 9 ways. Now after this, you are free to move this one or this one. It is your choice. Let us move the 100 place. 100 place can be filled by. Now see, from 1 to 9 you have utilized one of the number. It may be 3, it may be 6, it may be 7. Only one number is utilized by you. Then how many numbers are left? Let us see an example. I filled 4 at this point. Then how many numbers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Because 0 can be filled in between the number. The number remains as such 4-digit number, not 3-digit number. So 100 place can be filled by again 9 ways. Because one number is utilized by us. Now after that, 10th place can be filled by 8 ways, because repetition is not allowed, and ones place can be filled by 7 ways. So total number of ways is 9 into 9 into 8 into 7. If you see 9 into 8 into 7, it is 504. 9 into 504, or you can multiply, it is 36, it is 45. So your answer is 4536. It is the total number of ways. Pause. Now see, 3-digit even number using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7, and no digit is repeated. Again it is 3-digit number. So 3-digit number means ones place, 10th place and 100 place. This is the number. Now 3-digit even number. In case of even number, first of all we check is the number 0 is there or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7 means 0 is not there. So we can start our work either from the 100 side or either from the 1 side. There is no problem. Now in this question it is necessary that number should be even. In case of even number, the last digit of the number is either 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Only then your number is even. So in this situation we can't start our work from the 100 place. We start our ones from the ones place, and because he need a number which is even and no digit is repeated. Now see, if a number should be even only when this 6, this 4 and this 2, these 3 numbers can be filled at the ones place. You have only 3 choices. So we can say ones place can be filled by 3 ways. Means either you can fill 2, either you can fill 4, either you can fill 6, because we need an even number. Now after that, 10th place can be filled by, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 number. Out of 6 you have utilized one number. How many numbers are left? 5. So next place can be filled by 5 ways, and 100 place can be filled by 4 ways. Therefore total number of ways, it is 3 into 5 into 4, that is equals to 60 ways. So regarding to these 3 questions are entirely different, with no repetition of the digit, with the number 0, with special number, even number. So I hope you will understand the concept.